Hello there. I thought that we would talk about something called a quadrant approach to training on chromatic harmonica. See what you think of this idea. This is, of course, a Seidel Symphony Grand Chromatic that's my daily player. Beautiful harp, best I've ever had. With this lovely little button here, a custom ergo button I made or had made, and this is the Kettlewell frictionless mouthpiece that I designed and built for this. But what we're talking about is the quadrant approach to training. Let's think about the harp for just a minute as 4 holes here, the lowest ones, then the next group of 4, then the next group of 4, and the next group of 4. So we're just going to think of the harp as 4 segments. Now this is interesting. If you were to judge your mastery of various parts of your harp, the typical pattern that I see is that just about everybody has that 4 under control. They play them a lot. The next one would be that grouping of 4 under control. So this would be the best ranked, second ranked. Now, which would it be, the lowest or the highest that's worse? I would say that it's a tie kind of, but then the next one would be low notes, the lowest 4 holes, and then the highest 4 holes, or if not that, the highest 4 holes and the lowest. But so these guys and these guys are ignored, and those are the ones that get most play. So you might, as you go to practice your harp each day, work quadrants, the weak ones, and say, well, I don't do a lot with those 4 holes, so I'm going to, this is a Bulletini with my wireless by Greg Hyman, but like one little fun little thing, just chromatic scales, And I went down and picked up those. So you could work the top 4, and then you can come down to the bottom. So I think that you can think of your harp as four different quadrants. Judge where you need work and work on them every day. Get your harp so that you're equally able to control the whole harp all the way across all the registers.